In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw funds from Pocket Option to Binance using USDT or Bitcoin. First, sign into your Pocket Option account and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, go to the Finance section, then open Withdrawal. This is where you'll find the available payout methods for moving your funds out of the platform. Take a moment here to confirm that your account is fully accessible and that you're selecting the correct withdrawal area, since this helps avoid mistakes later in the process. Next, choose your payment method. For this tutorial, you'll select either Tether, which is USDT, or Bitcoin, depending on which asset you want to withdraw. If you're using USDT, pay close attention to the network you plan to use, because the address you copy from Binance must match the same network on Pocket Option. This is very important. Sending crypto through the wrong network can cause delays or loss of funds, so it's worth double checking before you continue. Now switch over to Binance and open your deposit section for the same cryptocurrency you selected on Pocket Option. If you chose USDT, make sure you select the correct network, such as TRC20 or BEP20, based on what is supported and what you plan to use for the withdrawal. Once the deposit page appears, copy your Binance deposit address carefully. It's a good idea to verify the first few and last few characters after copying, just to make sure everything matches exactly. After that, return to Pocket Option and paste the Binance deposit address into the withdrawal address field. Then enter the amount you want to withdraw. Before submitting, review all the details one more time, especially the wallet address, the selected cryptocurrency, and the network. This quick check can help prevent unnecessary problems and make sure your funds arrive at the right destination. Once everything looks correct, submit the withdrawal request. After submission, the platform may take some time to process it, and the transfer speed can depend on network activity and internal processing times. You can usually monitor the status from your transaction history on Pocket Option and then confirm the incoming deposit on Binance once it arrives. That's the full process. If you follow each part carefully, withdrawing from Pocket Option to Binance using USDT or Bitcoin can be straightforward and secure.